Hello students, this is Gayatri, lecturer in Department of Biotechnology, DRW College, Gudur. Now you are promoted to your 6th semester. Here you have an option to choose your cluster papers. What are cluster papers are? Whatever your interest in your PG, you select in your degree last semester those subjects more papers of your interested subjects. Okay, for that purpose our CCE has designed like this clustered papers. Okay, in cluster papers there are several clusters. We have selected closely related to our biotechnology chapters. That's why you are selected these clusters specifically. Here we have tissue culture as a cluster paper in this semester. Let us discuss about the syllabus of the tissue culture. Coming to unit 1. Here we are going to study animal tissue culture, introduction to culture medium, vessels, natural and artificial medium, preparation and sterilization of medium, isolation of tissue culture, disaggregation of tissue and subculturing. See here we discuss here about the introduction to the culture medium. What is the selectively you select the type of the medium depends upon the whatever the culture you are going to do in your lab. Based on that you need to select your culture medium. That concept you study over here. Coming to natural and artificial medium. From natural sources if you prepare a medium, that is called natural medium. From artificial sources if you provide a nutrient medium for your for the cultivation of the tissue, that is called artificial medium. Then sterilization of the medium, this is a very important for your tissue culture lab. How to maintain the sterilization and how to maintain the aseptic conditions in the lab is very important. Then isolation of tissue, how you get the tissue, how you select the tissue, how healthy it should be, those all concepts you study in this isolation of tissue. Then disaggregation, how to disaggregate, how to distribute the healthy cells in the tissue, you are going to study here. Then about subculturing, after primary cultivation you do subculture for the more production of the tissue, that is subculturing. Okay, then coming to unit 2, here you study cell cultures, suspension cultures, maintenance of cell lines, organ cultures, techniques, advantages, applications, hybridoma technology, applications and limitations. Here cell cultures, how do cell cultures you study here. Suspension cultures means you cultivate your tissues in liquid media. Such kind of cultures are known as suspension cultures. Then how to maintain cell lines also you study here. Then organ cultures, how to do organ cultures you study here. Then techniques and advantages you study in this chapter itself. Then applications of the animal tissue culture. Then by following hybridoma technology, how you produce monoclonal antibodies you study in this chapter itself. And applications and limitations of hybridoma technology also we will discuss in this unit. Then coming to unit 3, in plant tissue culture, introduction to culture room. In first 2 units you study about animal tissue culture. Here you study of plant tissue culture, introduction to culture room, culture vessels, their working, sterilization of nutrient medium, callus culture, subculture and all you are going to study in your unit 3. Plant tissue culture. What is the need of the plant tissue culture? What is the importance of that? What are the applications of plant tissue culture? Now how much demand it has, and those all are you study in this remaining coming 2 units. Okay. Coming to plant tissue culture introduction, how to maintain your culture room, how to maintain your culture vessels, and how to maintain your working area. And as like your animal tissue culture, here also you are going to study sterilization of the nutrient medium. What is callus? Callus is undifferentiated cell mass, and after getting a callus, how do you subculture that callus into another fresh medium? These all you study in this unit 3. Then coming to unit 4, somatic embryogenesis. Here you study somatic embryogenesis, meristematic culture, somatic hybridization, micropropagation, somatic hybrids and hybrids. Here it is nothing but applications of your plant tissue culture. By applying plant tissue culture techniques, how you maintain all these, how you perform all these techniques, and how you get the results, and all you study in this unit. Then coming to your last unit from tissue culture, this is introduction to pollination, pathogenesis, applications of tissue culture both in agriculture and animal husbandry, embryo culture techniques. See, introduction to pollination, pathogenesis, parthenogenesis, applications of tissue culture both in agriculture, see, and animal husbandry. Here in your 4 units you have studied from 2 units. Unit 1 and 2 you have studied about animal tissue culture. From unit 3 and 4 you have studied about plant tissue culture. All these where you apply that concepts you are going to discuss in your unit 5. Then coming to our practical lab. See how to prepare culture medium you study here. This is a very important. It is playing a key role for an entire tissue culture technique. If you prepare perfect tissue culture medium, you can produce so many cultures, and later also you can maintain the well cultures by following aseptic conditions. Then second one, initiation of callus and one selected plant species you can perform in our tissue culture lab. This also. Then micropropagation of plants, cell disaggregation and cell counting. By using counting chamber you can count the cells, living cells. Then study of gene transfer techniques, that is nothing but transformation. Then preparation of animal tissue culture medium. Up to this level only we are winding off, because we don't have animal tissue culture lab in our college, as well as it is a highly sophisticated and a highly costly lab. That's why preparation up to the preparation of animal tissue culture medium, these are stopped. Our BOS persons are stopped. See, this is about our entire syllabus of the tissue culture. Then in our next class, we will start with animal tissue culture. Thank you.